I think they're practicing as well.
Yep.
Oh no, the other one doesn't have a battle pass.
We don't need the battle.
Yep.
I mean to join the battle cup, I think.
No, you don't. But you need one to get a 15 level reward. But that's it. You can still join and
I see.
play with everyone else.
So we are picking roles now. Should we practice a strategy for next game?
Yeah, maybe. We should also decide on who to ban first now. Because I always like to ban Tinker and Necrophos, Ancient Operation.
Oh,
And the
okay.
mage also.
Guys, but I wanna play Tinker.
Okay, then... I will
I'm
just
gonna ban Alchemist.
Necrophos, okay?
I usually ban Timbers.
Yeah, Timber is also a very popular pick.
Yeah.
Elder Titan, nice support.
Sadly, I don't play Elder Titan, I don't really like it. I know it's good, but
Stay here.
Okay.
Mix offlane is also good if they pick something mana heavy.
There's the Slark. Fuck. I hate Slark.
Never mind, man.
We should get some really good disables.
No.
Lion good.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
so.
Lion is a good
Lion
stable
is-
pick.
Should I pick one?
Lion is always strong.
Yeah, big Lion. Oh,
Oh man.
Top Stomp combo.
Just get a diffusal.
Ancient Operation was good, yeah.
We can play... Oh, Timbers are spent. Okay. What about Titan offlane?
Yeah, should be fine.
Your turn to pick.
Side Hunter was good here, or Darkseer.
Darkseer I think is good.
Yeah. Slack and Omni Knight.
But they have 2 leaps.
10 seconds remaining.
Darkseer? You sure?
Yeah, go Darkseer.
What should I pick? It's really hard. Do you solo offlane now? Or...
Yeah, I
is
can
Ancient
solo.
Operation offlane too? Okay.
They already picked Slurg, so what's a good carry for this?
I wanted to pick Lifestealer, but I'm not sure.
Actually, Tinker is good here to burst down those low life healers.
you can
What about
pick up
anti-mage?
Anti-Mage or PL.
Yeah, anti-mage.
Race King was good
No,
here.
better Anti-Mage.
And Nyx mid.
No, man.
I think I'll pick anti-mage.
Pick something to hold for mid. Storm Spirit maybe?
Yeah, Storm could be good.
but Storm was not good. They have Omni Knight. If I have Tinker, I can do magic damage.
Yeah.
But Storm does a lot of magic damage too, and he can initiate pretty well. So you can always jump Omni Knight and just nuke him.
Storm was not good here. They have Windrunner. I must have a Link as well. So,
Yeah, spells. Tinker, go Tinker then.
Strategic deployment.
Prepare for battle!
then I have two Tangos. Thanks. And maybe what? Or you don't have money? It's no problem. Oh, okay.
As you will. It's in the see where this world ends.
Go. Place here.
30 seconds to battle.
Of course.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna abandon top.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
A grand design.
There's like 3 heroes top.
The battle begins!
Smart.
And it doesn't mean it's not good, but okay.
As you will. Yes. Quickly. Very good. Speed is the heart of
Oh god. Trident top.
Yeah, I'm going just solo offlane.
Didn't see the Morana there.
Can you go around here, like, and harass her from here?
combine and conquer. Magic abounds. A mind sharper than any.
Mirana missing.
As you will.
Nice. Good job.
Mirana's still missing.
And Ranger's back.
Face combat. Very good.
Mirana was top room.
Yeah,
I see where this world
Podam's still missing.
I'll try to cut here. Damn it.
speed
Arrow.
deeper understanding. Of course.
Hey guys, can you control Rune?
I see where this road ends. Strategic deployment.
Mirana missing.
You Wind Ranger too. Shit.
Oh, fuck. Fuck. Sorry, I check bottom room. Medusa missing. Guys, can we change team speak after the game? I have lagging with from.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Searing pain. Speed is the heart of the
Oh, Mirana's coming. He's in rush, but... Anyways, we'll pull here. Okay. Mirana mid.
Your top tower
Okay, I got it.
pieces.
Oh, let's get Wind Ranger.
Your top tower is under attack.
She's coming mid again.
Okay, never mind.
Oh, fuck. I go in base. Pick up bottom row.
Careful. Omni is tipping.
Medusa come bottom.
To pick with your middle tower.
And we go back.
Going back to base first.
speed is the heart.
Top is missing.
Double damage.
Just back off.
As you will.
Medusa don't wanna farm mid. Going bottom.
She's here.
Omni Knight top again.
It will be easy game when I have travel 2 more minutes and I have it.
Quickly. I see where this
I'm getting Reeves.
I have my ulti now.
Take bottom room. Okay, Medusa have it. Oh, fuck.
Oh, they're all going. Mid.
I can't TP.
Two.
Don't need now. They just stay here. No reason. Oh, fuck this guy. I need like that.
We'll push bottom a bit.
Top missing, guys. Omni Knight is here. And Slurk.
Anyone is going
Should ult up.
That's fine.
Yeah,
Thanks, man.
Medusa go top.
Yeah, four people coming top.
I got shells now. Wait, I coming.
No, you should
Arrow.
Go push. Oops, I forgot about that.
Oh, back.
Oh, damn.
back.
Coming. I'm going in. Slug is dead.
Just hit. Team wipe.
Reaching around. Reaching.
Just leave her. Let's just leave her.
I think I'm
Where
dying.
is my
Some
turtle?
shit. Oh shit.
Okay, I have soul ring and women now, guys. I can be in any lane now. We can kill him if you... Okay, I am farming it.
900 to mech.
should I get points or
Oh, nice spot.
Back. Back line.
Strategic deployment. I need no weapon.
I come in.
Can't do it.
Back.
Don't chase. Oh fuck, I have arrow. Sorry guys. My fault. Okay, but I am farming, it's good.
Just destroy the thrower. 4 of them were top.
I'm on TP here.
Your top tower is being hacked to pieces. Your top
I can go top.
under attack.
Yeah, me too.
Radiant structures are fortified. Your top tower is being hacked to pieces.
I got that tower.
Tower has fallen. Surprising, given the lack of axe.
Interrupt here.
My Windrinder's coming. Oh no, she's still here.
Should we push top?
I have 50 men.
Have we run at LT? Is it active? No, it's not. Wind Ranger is coming.
We can kill. Oh, okay, no.
Oh, I got arrow. I'm a retard.
No problem, man. I heal you.
My thanks.
As you will.
Top missing.
We can fight.
Yeah, I can TP as well.
Just fight somewhere.
Yeah, 3 people. Almost mech.
Should be top.
We can try to push mid now. If there are more than just Medusa.
Yeah, mech incoming.
Should.
Don't stay mid, guys. Just do something.
Fuck.
I'm TP.
No, don't go.
Your middle tower is under attack.
They have a ward here.
Speed is the heart of life. Your goal outlives you. Line of sight. A grand design. Of course.
Can fight, I have dagger now. Fight, guys.
There are a lot of you.
Maybe push mid. They all want.
Yes, jump.
Yeah, 2 of them TP top.
Dire structures can take all the hurt Radiant cares to heap upon it. Your top tower is under attack. Radiant's towers are fortified, just like Axe. Your top tower is under attack.
Ranger running from you. I don't want to.
Back.
Oh, Slark was there. Fuck.
Someone building a flat. Yeah.
Guys, don't fight one by one. Why Lion and Ration don't fight? Hey, got level 5.
Oh, they have sentry mid.
Slark is in this. Can you place a sentry here? Here somewhere? Almost dead now.
Nice.
Syndra is coming.
They're in this.
Guys, don't stay mid. Hey, just farming. Don't stay mid, please. Go farm jungle or something, please.
Rangers here.
Nice.
Oh. Fuck. Melts here.
Your middle tower is under attack!
Yeah, just farming woods or some lanes. They can't kill you if you don't check or something.
In this room, in our jungle. Scout.
Here's the sentry. Let's just bait her.
Glad that your bottom tower is not Axe's problem!
Yeah. Oh really? Nice. I'm lagging.
We can kill. We can kill.
Ark was here. Careful.
I'm back.
I'm lagging so hard. Fuck.
I'm gonna buy it.
No mana.
Let's just leave.
Spark getting
Oh, they saw me here. Okay.
Combine and conquer.
I come in mid now if you want. Hey, just split push.
Yeah, just go top.
That or that. Fight with it.
Larkus here.
I think that easily, just fun.
Larkus on top.
Okay guys, buy smoke and go somewhere. They have...
I think they know I'm here.
Back man.
No mana. Lark was very low too. Think.
reduce the pushing mouse.
Back. Don't chase.
Axe is glad that your farm tower is not Axe's problem tower.
Guys, just don't change. Yeah, just what's some fun.
Ice dead.
Army Knight coming here. Just take it.
As you
Maybe smoke into the ground.
line of sight.
We need wards in their woods and then go. We can kill Slark.
Speed is the heart of war.
Go. Okay. We'll lose now.
Back.
I fucking take out the revive.
I see where this road
Split push mid. Guys, take wards and put plays somewhere there.
Yeah.
I see where this road
Yeah.
He went for
strategic deployment.
We can
This
go.
camp is dewarded, I think. Like, we're here warded, or here in here.
Unstoppable!
Combine and conquer.
They're all in our jungle. Ramu has X.
Of course.
Careful, yeah.
Dire structures are fortified.
Hey, I'm back.
The enemy's bottom tower has been denied. That was
What's happening?
Yeah, we can.
Pushed up.
This guy can just eat us. Just split push all the time. We have to win a team fight. Just getting fat and fat.
Oh. Fuck the
Guys,
guy.
go S5, please. There is worse.
Let's get Slark. We know where he is. I think he knows we see him, but
In this
Yes.
well played. They're all in this store, careful.
yeah. There's here too. Let's go back. Go back a bit. Just wait for the ulti.
Yeah, we go now.
And no more.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Go mid.
Don't have mana.
Tower is under attack.
Let's go. Guardian Greaves in 10.
The warning is
Back.
Fuck.
Oh. What the
I think they can kill me, but let's get her. Fuck the bitch.
oh shit. Help.
Just go.
Rerun goes on there. No. Hit the tower. Oh, spark the move. Well played.
Omni-Knight next.
Only on. So,
That's it.
oh, the bashes.
Crystal Blade now. Let's go back now. Or do you want to go on Mirana? Let's try it.
No mana.
Export.
Greaves in 6.
Boots of Travel now. Maybe a butterfly? What do you think? Oh no. Again, really?
Careful with the courier.
Jumps in. I'll just stun her. Okay, I'll stun her anyways. This.
Actually,
Watch out the slide.
that just put us back in the game.
It's dead.
Fuck. I should get a Chrome Blade.
Going back for now.
Try to get Yield Scepter next, if you can. If you're against Slark as well.
We need Observer Rats.
Try and get Slark. Be in there.
Coming top with you.
Fuck is one.
Watch out, they... Go push top. Go push top. It's tight.
Try to solo it.
Combo is online.
I think they're roaching. They do want it. I don't know.
Careful, maybe Mirana ulti.
The enemy's top tower has fallen. Oh, good day.
I think they're rushing.
Just try and trade towers. Yeah.
Yeah, just get tower. No, it's too late, they're going to TP. Force out TPs, force out TPs.
Go Mirana. Nice. And this.
Just
Go.
Back. Lion back.
go back. It's not worth it. Oh no.
I live!
Well played.
Worth it.
Who took the Aegis? Fuck.
Ages, by the way. That's it.
Who took the Aegis?
Clark.
Slark, yeah. Try for kill?
Yeah, we can.
She has Lincoln Sphere. Be careful.
Oh, shit.
Just wait into the...
Yeah, I don't have anything to trigger that.
Oh, I am here.
Trigger with Abyssal?
Let's... I can't get in range. Shit.
Oh, shit. Go for the man.
Yeah, sorry, late reaction.
I'm here, but...
Just don't cheat.
I'm back.
Continue farming.
Go bottom.
Butterfly. Das ist ein KB. It's a trouble.
Start to getting on it.
Line, come near me. Going home. No mana.
I have X now. We can fight. We can fight them.
Wait for me. Just going to regen.
Just kill Slark and Veloz or Medusa. Someone.
Ranger has nothing.
I don't have dust. No money for
And I
dust.
got a
I got. Careful.
what comes.
Combo online. Let's go.
Okay, Slug is coming. Wait.
Yeah, boys.
Get in with this.
Just hit the Slark.
I'm back to base. Oh, we can fight. Okay. No.
They're still in this.
Push bottom.
Just split push.
Jump on Slug now.
He's so agitated.
Slark and no wages.
Back.
Oh,
I'm here. We can fight. Shit.
Good job. Abyssal in 2. Very nice.
No mana now.
I'm coming to you. I have Greaves. Let's break their base.
Yes.
Come to me for mana. Come to me for mana.
Go. Let's jump. Okay.
Hit the towers.
Hit towers.
Get Rex. I can do a defensive wall. Greaves in 5.
I come in. A second.
Back.
Slug.
Back.
Just hit Slug. You can kill him easy. He's not that tanky. Alright. Good job. Mirana next.
Yeah, GG.
Just finished.
That was a good warm-up.
Nice job, guys. Go team speak fast. I have a server. Go now.
I need to install.
Go
Send
fast.
the IP. Send the IP. It's game.
Okay, I'm.
How do I use TeamSpeak?
It's just the same as Discord.
Yeah.
I'm writing address.
Give us the address.
Okay. Room Coco Jumbo pass 123 321. Okay.
I just type it. I'm going to the toilet.
It's the IP.
How much until Basket Cup, or did it start?
It's not started.
I'm
10 minutes.
I'm create server TeamSpeak.
Send one. Can't find anything.
Find turn down, and you find.
Can't. Still don't see it. The only thing I see is what I wrote.
He's last. He's last. Last room. Last room.
I don't have the TeamSpeak IP. I need the address so I can join.
IP address I write you in party chat.
User
Is
entered your
it?
channel.
Do it again.
User disconnected from your channel.
How do you search for the room? There are a lot of rooms.
User entered your channel.
Turn down to pad.
Yeah, it's just the last one, the bottom one.
Last one. Last one.
Okay, I'm going to disconnect from Discord now.
User joined your channel.
Hello. Okay, so we're in TeamSpeak now. I'll grab a drink and then I'll be back.
Hello, guys.
Hello, man. Where is last?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Good. I think it's still downloading. TeamSpeak. Shafu, your mic is muted.
If we do something like that, we win. Just don't come all mid. If they don't push, don't come all.
Yeah, just farm then.
Yeah, just farm and place wars. Only if they push tower or chase, we must die. But
So 5 minutes to go. 8 minutes.
Papu.
Okay, I'm back.
Papu. Unmute your microphone. Okay, narcotic here. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, hello man.
Okay.
We hear you. Papu, we hear you.
After the heat. Hello? My mic?
Yogurt.
No, your mic's nice.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Papu,
Yeah, everything's fine. Only Shafu can't. His mic is muted.
We should register for the battle.
Papu, where are you? Your microphone.
I think he's in the back. I think he's at
Yeah. Also, answering the scheme.
register for the battle.
Oh, what the? Why?
What?
Yes.
What's that?
Fucking what? What the fuck?
Okay.
Oh no, wait.
It's not working.
Do you hear me?
Yes. We hear you.
Oh, it starts tomorrow.
What?
They delayed it to tomorrow.
What? They've moved it again?
Yeah.
Apparently.
Can someone check Reddit about this?
Yes, they moved it.
Right.
Wait, checking Reddit. Yeah, it's tomorrow.
Oh, wow.
Let's just play some ranked games.
Well, I think I placed yes then.
Okay, but let's get let's get together tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's 9 p.m. 8 p.m. I guess. Yeah, just be online.
Add me as friend.
Yeah, I have added all of you.
Okay. Goodbye, guys.
Okay, tomorrow.
Okay.